I just went to the mailbox and I have this package in there and I am thinking it's the book. So I'm so excited. It is the Zettelkasten for fiction writers. I'm so excited. Oh, look, and it's shrink wrapped. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm opening it. Oh, it is. I'm going to have to put my glasses on here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is so beautiful. It feels so good. You can tell that you put your heart and soul into this book. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. And look, there's colors in here. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of you, sister. I'm so proud of you. And I got it fast. Oh. Anyway, just want to share the good news with you. Bye.